If you've ever tried making a risotto on the stovetop, you know that it involves a lot of stirring and it's kind of time consuming. Well, the Instant Pot is the best way to make risotto, and I am making a risotto today that is a little bit different. It's vegetarian, it has coconut, and it has chickpeas and curry powder, so it's like very different from the traditional mushroom risotto or whatever you may have tried. It's really delicious, and it's definitely a one-pot meal. So let's get started. I'll show you the ingredients and how to make it. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 1.5 cups of chopped onions, 1 cup of coconut milk. I prefer the full fat coconut milk, not the light. And I like to use the Chowco or Arroyo brands. And I'll put a link to those in the notes. 1.25 cups of cooked chickpeas. You can use canned or you can cook the chickpeas in the Instant Pot. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of arborio rice. For the spices, you have the choice of using prepared curry powder, but I like to use the individual spices like turmeric and coriander. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which is a less spicy kind of chili powder. If you're using cayenne pepper, you need to possibly reduce the quantity if you don't like spice. 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'll put a link to my recipe for garam masala in the notes. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or ghee. Ghee gives it a richer flavor. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, and 1.25 teaspoons of salt or to taste. Heat the Instant Pot in saute mode, and once it's hot, add in the ghee or oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add in the onions, garlic, and ginger. And now saute the onions, garlic, and ginger, stirring frequently until the onions are a golden brown. This is important to the flavor of the recipe. Once the onions are golden brown, we're ready to add in the spices. Add coriander, cumin, garam masala, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, salt. And now you can press cancel, and the spices will cook on the residual heat. We don't want the spices to burn. And if you need to, you can deglaze a little bit with some broth or water. And you can stir the spices for about a minute. Rinse the arborio rice and add it to the spice mixture. And using a spatula, stir the rice and spices together so they're all mixed. Add the water to the Instant Pot and the coconut milk. Some people have trouble with the burn message, and if that's you, then don't add the arborio rice until the end. Add all the ingredients, and then finally, right before pressure cooking, add the arborio rice and just push down gently. Don't stir it up. Add the chickpeas, stir everything together, close the lid, and pressure cook on high pressure for 7 minutes. Do a natural pressure release. And once the float valve is down, you're ready to open the lid. Stir up the risotto, and now you're ready to serve it into a serving dish. This is a one-pot meal. I like to garnish it with some cilantro for flavor. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I'll see you next time.